This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2022 Spring Carlisle. Check out some more plastic model kits. Look at that 47 Chevy. That is so cool. Galaxy Limited, $50 for that kit. Nice. What's great, this vendor has his prices out there, so you know what you're getting into. It's really pretty cool. I always appreciate that. And I'm going slow. Just want to catch one more thing down here. Is that cool? All the Ravel. I want to get something more unusual. Look at that Yanko. Nice. Oh, look at that. That's cool. '59 Eldo. El Camino Lowrider. They're trying to pack up, so I'm going to make this fairly quick. Sorry, folks. Check out the other videos too. Oh, look at that. That is so cool. Definitely lots of fun. Again, this is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2022 Spring Carlisle. For more cool events like this, make sure you check your car show calendars. NortheastWheelsEvents.com, SoutheastWheelsEvents.com, UKWheelsEvents.com, and while you're there, post and share your events. I'll see you at the shows.